Credit history in some states, including California, insurance companies can use credit history to determine premiums. Maintaining good credit can lead to the lower rates. Annual mileage. The more you drive, the higher the risk of accident. Lower annual mileage could lead to the lower premiums. Tips for obtaining the best rates should around get quotes from the multiple insurance provider to compare rates and coverage options. Bundle policies. Many insurers offer the discount issue bundle your car insurance with other policies like home insurance. Maintaining good credit, pay bills on the time, and manage your credit responsibly to potentially qualify for lower rates. Drive safely, avoid accidents and traffic violations to maintain a clean driving record. Consider high deductibles. Option for high deductibles can lower your premiums, but make sure you can afford the deductibles amount in case of claim. Ask about discounts. Inquire about available discounts such as safe driver discounts, good student discounts, and more. Take defensive driving courses. Completing an approved defensive driving course can sometimes lead to premium reductions. In conclusion, car insurance is a vital aspect of responsible car ownership in California. Understanding the state's minimum requirements, optional coverage types, factor influencing premiums, and strategies for obtaining the best rates can help you make informed decisions that align with your needs and budget. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure that you are adequately covered in case of accidents or unexpected events while navigating the scenic roads of the Golden State. Today we are going to discuss about navigating a car insurance in California, United States of America. Car insurance is an essential aspect of responsible car ownership, providing financial protection and legal compliance in the event of accidents, theft, or the other unforeseen incidents in the United States. Each state has its own regulations and requirements for the car insurance, and California is no exception. Understanding the intricacies of car insurance in California can help you make informed decisions and secure the coverage you need. This article aims to provide a comprehensive guide to car insurance in California, covering its requirements, coverage options, factors affecting premiums, and tips for obtaining the best possible rates. California car insurance requirements. California state law mandates that all drivers carry a minimum level of liability insurance to operate a vehicle legally. Liability insurance covers bodily injury and property damage to the others in the event of an accident for which you are at fault. The minimum liability coverage required in California is commonly referred to 1530 over 5, which translates to 15,000 for bodily injury liabilities per person, $30,000 for bodily injury liability per accident, $5,000 for property damage liability for per accident. While these are the minimum requirements, it is important to note that they might not be sufficient to cover all potential expenses in a serious accident. Consider purchasing higher coverage limits to protect your assets and future earnings. Optional coverage types. Beyond the mandatory liability coverage, the California drivers have the option to purchase additional types of coverage to enhance their protection. These include collision coverage. This covers the cost of repairs to your own vehicle in the event of collision, regardless of which is at fault. Comprehensive coverage, also known as other than collision coverage, this pays for damage to our vehicle caused by non-collision events such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and more. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage safeguards you if you are involved in an accident with a driver who lacks insurance or doesn't have a sufficient coverage to pay for your damages. Medical payment coverage. This covers medical expenses for you and your passengers regardless of fault in an accident. Rental car reimbursement. This coverage helps with the cost of renting a vehicle while your car is being repaired after a covered accident. Roadside assistance provides services like towing, flat tire changes, and battery jumps in the case of breakdowns. Factors affecting premium. Several factors influence the cost of your car insurance premiums in California. These include driving record. A clean driving record with no accident or traffic violation will generally result in lower premiums. Age and gender: young and unexperienced drivers typically have higher rate due to the higher risk. Gender also be a factor in some cases, typical of vehicle. The make, model, and the year of your vehicle affect insurance cost. Expensive or high performance cars often come with higher premiums. Location: your geographical location can impact rates. Urban areas might have higher rates due to the increased risk of accident and theft. Coverage levels: options for higher coverage limits and additional coverage types will increase your premium. Credit history: in some states, including California, insurance companies use credit history to determine premium.